Well, let's go ahead and see what that hole looks like inside. So we walk towards the hole here. I picked up some pictures that I had taken in 2017. That was the first record, I think, that we knew that the hole existed. So it's really hidden pretty well here. It's only 33 degrees out there this morning, so it's kind of cold. I had my camera on a tripod, so I was trying, and the gimbal, so I was trying to angle it down here. So it's kind of awkward. That's what it looks like today. You can see some of the old concrete, and there's even a red brick in there. I probably had that in the dirt that I put on top of those rocks. And here coming up was the photos I took in 2017. I was trying to measure the depth of it, and you'll see our golden retriever down in the right corner. Our golden retriever got in that hole and couldn't get out. We were just walking the pasture when she fell in, so it wasn't that big a deal. Here I'm measuring it again. Doesn't look a whole lot different than today. There it measures right at 64 inches maybe. Finally had to get the step ladder out and stick it down in the hole, and then I had to crawl down into the hole there. Golden retriever was kind of heavy. Trying to get it up the ladder, it wasn't the easiest thing to do. She's just happy as can be. Here I got the camera on that tripod and that gimbal, so I'm trying to lower it into the hole here. Get an idea what it looks like inside here closer up. See the layers of the dirt there and some of the old concrete. Having a little difficulty getting that down into the hole there. It was a little bit heavier and more awkward than I thought. Now as I lower it here, you can see a tube. It's an old PVC water tube and an electrical line down in there. They had built a hog operation here about 40 years ago. I don't know how complete it was. Here you get a better look of that line and that plastic tubing down in there as it goes across. According to the Kansas Geological Survey, about a quarter of Kansas counties have sinkholes. Some occurred hundreds of thousands of years ago, and others appeared virtually yesterday. They vary in size from smaller than a manhole to wider than a mile. Two older ones, Big Basin and its neighbor Little Basin in Clark County, likely have been fixtures in the state's landscape for a few thousand years.